Welcome to Quiz Puzzle Cafe. Today we have 10 brand new riddles to test your observation skills, logic, and brain power. You will have only 10 seconds to solve each challenge, so look carefully because the smallest clue can reveal the answer. If you enjoy fun brain puzzles, subscribe to Quiz Puzzle Cafe. Let's begin. Everything looks ready for an exciting space mission, but there's one serious problem. One of these spacesuits isn't safe to wear. Look carefully at every detail before making your choice. Which suit has no oxygen? The correct answer is C. Look closely at the oxygen supply. A and B both have their oxygen tubes securely connected to their helmets. But C's suit has no oxygen tube connected at all. Without that connection, the suit has no oxygen supply, making C the correct answer. Next challenge. A child is trying to choose between two teddy bears, but one of them is hiding a dark secret. A tiny detail reveals which teddy isn't as innocent as it looks. Look closely before making your choice. Which teddy bear is evil before revealing the answer? If you chose A, give this video a like, and if you chose B, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The correct answer is B. Look closely at B's head. It has a stitched cut mark, giving it a creepy appearance. That's the hidden clue that B is the evil teddy bear. Next challenge. Three people are enjoying a peaceful day at the park, but one of them has a very unusual secret. At first glance, they all seem completely normal. Look carefully. One tiny detail gives away who isn't like the others. Can you spot the invisible person before time runs out? The correct answer is A. Notice that it doesn't cast a shadow, while both B and C have clear shadows on the ground. Without a shadow, it's a strong clue that A is invisible. Next challenge. Three mysterious gift boxes are waiting to be opened, but one of them is hiding something terrifying inside. A tiny clue nearby reveals which box you should avoid. Look carefully before making your choice. Which gift box contains a monster? The correct answer is A. Look at the side of box A. You can spot a small green monster-like shape peeking out from the edge of the box. That's the hidden clue that there's a monster inside A. Next challenge. Three princesses have arrived at the royal palace, but one of them isn't a real princess. A tiny detail gives her away. Look closely at every clue before making your choice. Who is the fake princess? The correct answer is C. Look carefully at their crowns. A and B are both wearing traditional golden royal crowns, just like real princesses. But C is wearing a silver tiara instead of a golden crown. That's the clue that C is the fake princess. Next challenge. Legend says that only one of these three paths is hiding a dangerous trap. At first, they all look perfectly safe, but a tiny clue reveals the truth. Look carefully before you choose. Which path is a trap? The correct answer is B. Look closely across the entrance to path B. A thin rope is stretched between the rocks and the bush, creating a hidden trip wire. One careless step could trigger the trap, making B the dangerous path. Next challenge. A peaceful afternoon at the park suddenly turns into a strange mystery. Everything looks completely normal except one tiny clue that gives someone away. Look carefully. Who is the ghost hiding among humans? The correct answer is C. The dog is barking directly at C. Animals are often believed to sense paranormal beings that humans can't see. Since the dog reacts only to C, that's the clue that C is the ghost hiding among the humans. Next challenge. Deep inside a magical kingdom, 3 dragons have been spotted. One is kind and gentle while the others are not. Look carefully at every little detail. Which dragon is friendly? The correct answer is A. A small bird is calmly sitting beside Dragon A, showing that it feels completely safe. Wild animals wouldn't stay so close to a dangerous dragon. Dragon B looks aggressive, and the bone beside Dragon C suggests it has hunted before. That's why Dragon A is the friendly dragon. Next challenge. 3 buttons are sitting in front of you, but pressing the wrong one could lead to serious danger. One small detail reveals which button is actually dangerous. Can you find it out? The correct answer is B. Look beneath the buttons. B is the only button with an electrical wire connected underneath it. A and C don't have a working electrical connection, so they won't do anything. That makes B the dangerous button. Next challenge. 3 mysterious mermaids are sitting quietly on the beach. They may look almost identical, but only one of them is the real mermaid. The other 2 are just pretending. Look closely at every detail and see if you can figure it out. Who is the real mermaid? The correct answer is B. Look closely at the tails. A and C have lace tied around their tails, making them look like costumes that can be worn. B's tail has no lace or straps at all, making it look like a real part of her body. That's why B is the real mermaid. How many riddles did you solve? Tell us your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Quiz Puzzle Cafe, and turn on notifications for more exciting brain puzzles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next challenge.